All right, and so with camping gear, you also need the accessories. So I see you guys have some bladders here. What can you tell us about that?
Yeah, this is a super ingenious new water filter system that from a company called CNOC Outdoors. It's the Vecto water containers. It was a successful Kickstarter that was launched a little while ago, and we're happy to be the first Canadian distributor for them. Super durable, easy to use, lightweight, very compact water containers that you're able to just set up at your camp after a long day of hiking and let it filter through one of the HydroBlue VersaFlow water filters. They filter a liter a minute, and pretty much will filter out anything in North America that would make you sick. So.
And the last thing I just have to say, we were talking about this earlier, for suspension systems, you guys also carry Dutchware gear, which is a little bit hard to get in Canada, so I got to make sure that you're going to mention that as well.
Definitely, it's worth a mention. Yeah, we are authorized distributor of Dutchware, so any of his titanium Dutch bling that he carries on our website, we do stock on our website, and they're able to bring in different things. So a lot of titanium, the tarp flies, and a lot of his different setups that we're able to carry. Yep.
Awesome. Thanks so much for sharing.
You're welcome. Thank you.